What's going on, guys? Are you guys sick and tired of your Warzone gameplay looking like this? When you've seen other people's on YouTube, maybe even Twitch, where they look like this? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to get your gameplay looking like the one on the right. And it's not that hard. So, if you're on a console, unfortunately you won't be able to get this gameplay look in-game. But if you do YouTube videos, TikToks, any sort of social media posting, and you do edit your clips in like DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, Sony Vegas, any of those video editing softwares, then I got you guys covered. So basically, it's color correction, but I've created some presets for you guys. I've done a couple Warzone ones and a couple Cold War ones, just so that you guys have some choice based on what you guys want your game to look like and kind of the vibes you want to give off to your audience. I will leave a link to every color correction package down in the description down below, so check that out. And if you guys do enjoy this video, feel free to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications so you guys never miss when I post a new video. And I do live stream on Twitch. I will leave a link to that in the description down below. I'm live pretty much every day, and you guys can see the color correction in action. And if you guys do have any questions about it, want to know more, feel free to drop into my chat and we can talk about it while I'm streaming. Love to see you guys there. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, so if you click the link in the description of the YouTube video, it's going to pull you up to my Buy Me a Coffee page. It's going to look pretty much like this, where you guys can follow, you guys can support, so if you guys want to donate, or if you guys just want to, buy me a coffee or a couple. You can also do a membership where I think it's $5 a month and then $55 a year, so you can kind of do either or. Personally, I would do the month just because it's kind of cheaper short term. After 6 months, you do get a follow back on social media of your choice, whether that be Twitter, Instagram, Twitch. I'll even sub to your YouTube channel. But here are the color templates. So click get this. It'll pull up this. You can enter a fair price. I'm going to leave it at 0 for now. If this pack does start doing well, I may up the price to, a couple bucks. Enter your name and your email. And then from there, you're going to be taken to a page where you can download them from Dropbox. And then once they're on your computer, you're going to have to extract the zip file, which you right click on it, extract all. And then from there, it's just putting it into your video editing software. I'm not going to get into that, but if you guys do want to see another video on how to install them into your video editing software, leave that in the comments and I'll try to do my best with that. I only have 2 of the main video editing softwares, which is DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro. But I'm sure Sony Vegas, Final Cut Pro, I'm sure they're both kind of like the same sort of idea. Not super hard to install color correction tables. But if you guys do have any questions, leave it in the comments. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.